Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you about preferences in the keyboard and how you can use these preferences in the keyboard. See, currently I'm using Gboard, so I need to click on this settings gear icon to reach the preferences option. So click on the preferences and now I'll explain each option in these preferences and how you can use all these options one by one. This video may take 2 minutes, so please watch till the end. First thing is the number row. See, when you enable this and when you click on the back button, so I reach the WhatsApp application where I'm using this Gboard. See here, still now there is no number row here, means only when I enable the option in the preferences, then only this number row is appearing. If I disable this again, when I click on the back button, see the number row has been disappeared. So if you want the number row, you need to enable in the preferences, then click on the number row. Next, show emoji switch key. If you enable this, what this does means, see here, this button, this emoji dedicated button will be available just beside the space option. If it is disabled, wait, I'll click on this settings and preferences. If it is disabled, then there won't be this. See here, this emoji I need to press and hold, then I need to move my finger and then I need to click on this emoji. It is a little bit tough task. So if you want to have this emojis option directly available, you need to, under preferences, you need to enable this show emoji switch key option. Then switching between the emojis is pretty easy. By just one tap on this, it will be easy. And the third option is show language switch key. If this is enabled, this won't be enabled. If this is enabled, this will be disabled, because just only one option will be available at a time, because both the options will be available under this same space. Just beside the space bar only this option is available. This option is because to shift between the languages. For example, if you have English keyboard, Hindi keyboard, or any other language keyboard, if you want to quickly switch between the languages, then you need to press and hold. You will get this list of languages available, and now you can quickly change the keyboard. You can do it with this space bar also, but here also you can have that option. So as soon as you click on that, the languages can be changed easily. So I'll click to English, then I'll go to preferences and I'll enable this instead of that. One-handed mode, for example, sometimes holding the phone with both the hands will be difficult. If you want to text someone, in that case this one-handed keyboard will be useful. For example, if you are a right-handed person, when you check this, see all the options, mainly the keys will be moved to the right side, so that holding your phone with the right hand and texting someone will be easy with this one hand mode. In this way this will be useful. So I will go to the preferences. For now I'll just turn off this. Likewise you can keep it to left hand also, that is absolutely your choice. For now I am just keeping it off. See, this sound press on key is enabled on my device, and the volume I kept it to 100%. What this does means, for example, when I am typing like hi, how are you, there is a sound whenever I press any key on this keyboard. That is absolutely because this preferences option, which is key press on the sound. If I disable this, there won't be any sound. Next,
Haptic feedback on key press. If it is disabled, even though when you type something on your keyboard, you won't feel anything. A small vibration thing on your mobile won't be experienced by you. If it is enabled, there will be a slight vibration sort of thing if you enable this haptic feedback. Okay, now I enable this. When I am typing something, there is a small vibration sort of thing that tells me that I am typing something, that there is a key press. Okay, without even sound, this haptic feedback works. And coming to the next option, click on this preferences. Okay, vibration strength, I can increase and decrease. Okay, this is what. Okay, you can keep it or you can disable it. Pop up on key press. If this is enabled, I will tell you. When I am clicking the letter G, see here, the G is being popped up. So this will be mostly available when we are typing the passwords. For example, when we are typing the passwords won't be displayed on the screen, so that by having this option only, we can know which key actually we are pressing. When you long press on this, that will be pop up. See here, I pressed R and R is being showed in the magnified version. So that is because of this option, which is what is this, pop up on key press. You can disable or enable this. Long press for symbols, if you enable this, for every key there is a alternative symbol. See here, for H there is minus symbol. See here, for R there is equal to symbol. See, when I long press on this, the related or assigned symbols will be displayed. This is also quite useful if you enable this. This is also available in the preferences. And the next thing, for now I am disabling this. uh, Long press delay you can increase or decrease. For any action, the long press you can decrease or increase. So I'll keep it to flick input sensitivity. You can keep it to normal, high or low. So usually the default option will be low, normal. What this indicates means, for example, when I want to search high, I can do like this also by swiping the controls on the keyboard. This will be basically useful on the Japanese keyboard. For example, hi, how are you? The sensitivity of taking this swiping action depends upon the sensitivity. Okay, next click on this preferences again, and we'll go to the last option, show app icon. By default this will be disabled. If it is enabled, for example, if you're using the app, these app options also will be visible here. I don't know exactly the option usefulness in the keyboard. If anyone of you know, please do comment in the comment section, so that I will also get to know what is this option about, the last option about. If you do have any questions, please do ask in the comments. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.